Okay, I just got this piece, a while ago from a local guy, picker guy, does cleanouts. This piece of glass on this end was busted out of it. And I tried to fix it right away, and I broke that damn piece and got so pissed off I shelved it for a while. But I got feeling good the other day, went out and slapped it right in just if I knew what I was doing. So this is a replaced piece, but this is I guess a countertop candy display case. Curved front, and it's supposed to have some either green or red or whatever felt you want in the bottom there, so it looks real clean and all, you can display stuff on it. But this is a wooden case, but it's bound up, it's trimmed out with nickel-plated brass, I presume, around the base, and all this stuff is all nickel-plated. So if you want to, you can shine it right up, slit. But I've kind of left it the way it is, and I'll leave that up to you. This is $275. Thanks.